Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Boom Trainspots. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today we're at Hook. Yes, on the South Western Main Line. It's the 11th of June today, and it's just gone 4 o'clock. We're seeing services from South Western Railway and hopefully some freight. I do apologise in advance if there's any wind noise. There probably will be a bit of wind noise, so I'm sorry for that. It distorts everything, it's really annoying, so yeah. But yeah, I think that's all I need to do for the intro. Let's see what we'll get. First train of the day. Bit slow to pan around there. So now it's time for Facts with Boom. This is the second ever Fact with Boom I've done. In this segment of the show we just go through all the facts about where we are at the station and the surrounding the station. Today it's a bit because it's very windy. Sorry about that, isn't it? It's very annoying. Yeah, I hope you can hear me well. Okay. So first thing we noticed about this Hook station is that there's a big Tesco there. Well, it's not big, I think it's about 30,000 square foot. Quite big. 30,000 square foot, or is it 300,000 square foot? I don't know. I think probably might extend to that. And Hook Town was just a cluster of villages and farms, not villages, settlements and farms, and then the A30 was built through it, and then it really caused it to flip, and it kind of got into a medium-sized town, I would call it. Yeah, not really much to say, apart from we have quite worn Mind the Gap and Yellow Line. Oh gosh, the gimbal's blown up. There we go, along there. And we've got some like track in the track. And that's all I can think of the fact. Thank you for the Boom, and I'll see you at Basingstoke next week. I've actually come from Basingstoke. I was filming Basingstoke's episode before this, and I must say it was very busy compared to this. I'm not used to waiting so long for trains at Basingstoke. It was just like train, and more train. But here, actually got like a few people. Yeah, other than that, there's no one about. Tesco's quite busy there. There's a lot of people in the car park. Yeah. The car park is very empty. There's 3 cars, one behind that Audi, an Audi and a Porsche Cayenne, and that's very empty. And then there's a car park behind. There's a space is running along back there. Then there's a car park behind this, whatever you call that, there, which is completely empty. There's no one at all in there. Track's very quiet. We've only seen about 2 trains. It's just starting to rain a bit, and I'm going to catch the next train out because that cloud is not looking very nice. Ow, just got a drop of water right in my eye. So sorry that it's going to be a short one, but I'll hopefully get 2 more trains flying through maybe. Yeah. but I've had such success at Basingstoke, so I can't really complain. And the wind's dying down, so it's not all bad. But I'm going to run to the shelter now because it's starting to rain. And if you saw my Basingstoke video, you haven't seen my Basingstoke video yet because it's not out yet, but when you see it, in the first video I get drenched. Just a little spoiler there for you. Right, and that's all from me today. Sorry for the very short video, but it's starting to rain and my train's in a bit, so thank you for watching, and remember to stay alert. Rain and water everywhere. Wind and water, not rain and water. Not rain and water. Dear me.
Psst, boom. Boom. Hi, Boom.